You know, there's a survey out there, and it's conducted by the Happiness Project. So this psychologist was kind of curious as to, let's measure happiness. Do you know that when she surveyed thousands upon thousands of employees and asked them one simple question, are you happy? Guess what? 70% of those who were surveyed said, well, I'm not really happy, but I have a job, it pays the bills, I have perhaps some perks or insurances, but they're not happy. Here's another amazing fact. Do you know that young people, by the time they reach their junior or senior year in high school, they're considering dropout? That has a lot to do with not knowing who you are, where you're at, and where you're going. At the BIZNOVATOR TRANSFORM WORKSHOP, we talk about all these amazing issues that a lot of people are not talking about. Not even a lot of the teachers or the parents. So we take you through a transformation process so you can learn about personal finance, leadership, social impact. That's why you want to attend the BIZNOVATOR TRANSFORM Workshop, to learn and discover more about yourself. In addition to that, we have My BIZNOVATOR. Can't make it to a live workshop? Can't afford to do 2.5 days in a weekend? Well, go online to My BIZNOVATOR and learn everything we do live through your own guide and workbook, and we are teaching you directly from the convenience of your phone or your handheld device or your desktop or your iPad at My BIZNOVATOR. Sign up right now, take action to the BIZNOVATOR Transform Workshop.